Hi, 3 signs you should not ignore if you want to protect your teeth. The first sign is whenever you go and stand in front of the mirror with your mouth wide open, if you notice any black spot, it could be a cavity and it's not going to heal by itself. So you have to contact us so that we will be able to help you remove it and fill it up. The second sign is if you feel any food particles getting stuck between your teeth after any meals or anything like that, and you're using a toothpick or something in between your teeth and there is any swelling or pain or discomfort between your two teeth, it is always better to check with a dentist. The third sign is if you experience any pain or sensitivity after you have consumed anything which is very cold, very hot or sweet food, then it is always better to get it checked with the dentist as soon as possible. If any of you are having these symptoms, please contact us as soon as possible. We are there to help you out.